Hey everyone! Today I'm tackling a silent epidemic that affects millions: metabolic syndrome. A recent study from The Lancet found that common fasting mistakes actually worsen insulin resistance. But don't worry, I've got 3 science-backed fasting hacks to help you reverse metabolic syndrome and transform your health. First up, circadian fat flushing. In 2025, MIT discovered that a 14-hour evening fasting window increased adiponectin by 47%. This hormone helps your body burn fat more effectively. For night shift workers like nurses, practicing moonlight fasting slashed triglycerides by 33% in just 8 weeks. A teacher's trick, breaking fasts with MCT oil dropped LDL by 28 points. Hack number 2, autophagy activation. According to Karolinska Institute's 2025 data, doing 48-hour fasts once a month clears 62% more glycated LDL. This process is like spring cleaning for your cells, recycling damaged organelles and reviving your mitochondria. Pro tip, adding a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon before fasting can boost AMPK by 39%. Finally, hack 3, insulin resensitization. A Stanford 2025 trial showed that alternate day fasting repaired 71% of insulin receptors. To stabilize your glucose, follow this nutrient timing sequence. Vinegar first, then greens, protein and fats. Dr. Elena Torres, an endocrinologist, says metabolic syndrome isn't a life sentence, it's a fixable code. Metabolic Reset Kit, 12-week fasting calendar, insulin-friendly recipes, lab tracker spreadsheet. Your liver deserves this. Smash that subscribe button. Reset, Johns Hopkins protocol, MIT meal plans. Remember, you have the power to turn fasting into your metabolic eraser. Thanks for watching and see you next time.